Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have something special for you in this video, and I was trying to hide it here out of the view when I'm filming for a while, and I can't take it anymore. I have to show you a little bit of it. So are you ready? It's the project I was talking about while ago, and it's right behind me. Have a look, little peek. What it could be, what do you say? It's an item I found on local Craigslist, and I thought it will be absolute blast to purchase it for this channel and make a little series, little TV show. But talking about the project series of TV show, Houston, we have a problem. And what is the problem? You guys mentioned it in the comments at the other videos. We switched the shops, and there is absolute problem with this natural lighting. It creates these contrasts, so the camera doesn't know what to do, and not just camera actually, it's even my eyes. Normally the light was kind of dispersed nicely through that old shop. I think the difference is that these skylights are made of very clear plastic. I think in the old shop it was kind of milky. It wasn't so clear. Here when the sun is outside and it's blue skies, I really see the blue color. It wasn't like that in the old shop. So please put some suggestions in the comments so we can fix this and move on, because filming here, it's actually nightmare. Now it all changed a little bit because I can see the cloud is covering sun, and the light is coming better way in. The owner, I talked to the landlord, he brought it up actually himself. He's like, well, you can borrow my scissor lift and whatever you want to do with it, fix it for your filming. I'm totally open to it. So please, if somebody has experience with that, put it in the comments. But back to the project. I wanna give it as a teaser, this thing. You guys can guess what it is, and we will start it next week. I don't have time this week, but we will start next week. We will reveal what it is, we will evaluate, and we will definitely have a lot of fun with this thing. When I got it for this channel, I was so excited. I was like, oh my God, I was here at the shop actually unloading it and preparing it until like 8 p.m. that day. I was super stoked, and it's sitting here covered, so it's not in the movies. So let's start it. I'm super excited. Next week, we will start this series. I hope you are excited like me. I'm like a little boy. You can obviously guess, try to guess in the comments what it is, but we will do it next week. So please, if you have solution for these lights, so we can film here nicely with no problems with the lighting, put it in the comments. I will read it. And be subscribed, be ready. Next week we will start having a lot of extra fun. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting this channel, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya!